Alright guys, I've been MIA for about a little over 2 months, been working on a lot of things, and this is one of them. I just turned 26 and I finally grew some balls and got my own house. Check it out. I moved in here with a few influencers. Gage, what's up?
Yo,
how you doing?
How you doing?
Good, bro. This is Gage. He is a very famous TikToker.
I'm a TikToker, represent.
What do you do on TikTok?
I'm a prankster, and I also color myself and my hair. Oh, and if you guys want to see, I do have a TikTok tattoo.
Whoa.
Oh!
Okay, I was like, oh,
Yeah.
I'm not into that kind of things.
I just came from Florida, Fort Myers, Florida. I literally have been in LA for less than a month. Great place, you know? Content castle, content house.
Yes.
Not sure yet.
Content house for sure. So guys, check him out. From now on, everyone's links is gonna be in the description. What's going on in the studio? Dom's merch is set up everywhere in here.
Yeah. And then we have like, I don't know, we kind of have that backdrop and lighting.
There's someone there, I don't know who that is.
Oh yeah. This is my friend, he's also a TikToker. You probably
really?
can't tell.
Whoa! Yo! What the f is that?
What just happened?
Are you good, bro?
Wait.
Yeah, I'm good, man.
Was that an accident or was that?
Oh, you don't know who I am? I'm Chef Boy Bones.
Oh.
Yeah.
Chef Boy Bones, what do you do? What do you do?
Iconic legend.
Iconic.
Legend, yeah. Iconic. Iconic legend. You know?
Whoa! Yo, I'm still freaking out, bro. I mean, at this point, I won't be shocked if you could fly with the hat, too.
Yeah.
So, Sean's upstairs putting up Trump's bed together.
Okay.
We need to have you do that, Tim. I want to see his reaction. Yeah.
Yo, man, that's how we scare people out here. Scare tactics. No! Way. No. No. What's up, Sean? I'm Bo. Nice to meet you. That is not real.
He got scared! He got scared!
Nice to meet you. He said no.
Alright guys, that was pretty crazy. Even if someone told me that he could do that, I wouldn't have believed it until I saw it with my own eyes, but let's go check our other roommate's room out. Let's see what he's up to. Dom! You're with the girl? That's not fair. You gotta tell me before you do these things.
Don't come in. Bro, why you coming in, bro? I'm with a girl.
Is that the girl?
No, this is my massage gun.
Where's the girl?
studio right now, bro.
Where's the girl?
Oh, there's no girls in here. I don't talk to girls.
Oh.
Hey, cameraman, get this shit right here. All right, we've been in the studio cooking up fat beats. Yeah, that's right, big and tasty. What's that right there? Is that my new mattress?
No, that's Trump's.
Oh no.
Trump's bed.
Trump's bed. Trump's moving in.
How did I end up buying a $2 million house with you? Like, how did that happen?
Bro, honestly, I went downstairs to Hollywood Boulevard. I was scared. I was misguided.
And then he met me.
Yeah, I didn't know what
I
was
saw him
going
on the side of the street.
Yeah. Anyone want to join Dirty Gang Mansion, guys? Please comment below. We're taking any types of recipients. We're gonna have some bunk beds down there. As you see, there's a bed down there. So yeah, we're gonna put up a couple more air mattresses, some bunk beds.
So yeah, we're taking applications, and you know, please, we need our own squad going on.
That's right. That's what I'm saying. Because honestly, the less I get paid, the better. So if there's 30 people in here and I'm paying $200 a month, like perfect. What is this? Didn't you already have a mattress? We're just hanging out. It's just you between the boys. Yeah. Oh my God, Namir, don't kill him. Jesus Christ.
No, I still can't pop my eyes out. Alright, so it's not this, guys. Okay, this is my room. It's a little bit dirty. Like I said, we just moved in here a few days ago. Okay, it's actually really dirty. This is the bathroom. And yeah, I don't really have much in here. Just got the TV, the bed, and gotta figure shit out, but this is it for now. Good. How's Trump's room coming along? Oh, looks like the bed is done.
Yeah.
Sean, did he help you do the bed?
No.
Huh?
No.
Did this jackass help you at all?
No. Yeah, look how much I'm
He thinks he hired me to do the bed or something.
Are you at least paying him?
Yeah, I'm paying for dinner.
I don't want no fucking dinner from you. All it took was for you to hold one end of something, bro.
The guy's like,
literally.
It's 42 degrees and he's sweating. It's going to your eyeballs. Let me tap this.
Yeah, new bed, nice.
Oh, the bed's creaking.
Yeah, 'cause you're too fucking fat. Lose some fucking weight. What do you say, fucker? What did you say?
Beat his ass, beat his ass, beat his ass. Yeah, get him, get him. Oh.
What did you say, fucker? What
Oh.
did you say?
Roommate fights, roommate fights. Oh yeah, slap his
Lucky I
butt.
got socks on.
Slap his butt. Yeah.
Socks?
Oh my God, what'd you guys knock down over there?
Socks?
Huh?
I could keep going. You know I work out every day, right? I could keep going.
Yeah, it's all steroids, remember? You forgot to tell the audience.
You want to leave?
Oh, let's go. Let's go.
Oh,
Oh, fuck.
oh my God.
You guys can have your sexy time later.
Sean, so you said you're gonna fix the speakers. You said you have an IT guy coming. I don't know.
Yeah.
Bro, my
Yeah.
neighbor's cousin's friend, literally, that's what they told me. That's who is gonna come fix the
So
speakers.
is that actually an Armenian thing?
Of course, we always got a cousin somewhere
yeah.
that does something.
Yeah.
We always have a cousin.
Because when we try selling cars to Armenians, it's like, oh yeah, the neighbor's brother-in-law's brother something something. That's actually a thing. Well, we learned something
It's
today.
always a thing. We're all
Education.
family. We're all family.
Where are you from again, bro?
I'm from Lithuania.
How do you guys talk?
Labas, malavardas ir Dominikas.
Do that again. Do that again. Do that again.
Labas, malavardas ir Dominikas.
Does that mean someone joins him on the bed? Anyone interested?
No. It means, well, hi, my name is Dominicus. That's my full
Oh,
name.
it just sounds so intimidating.
What do you mean it sounds
I don't know, bro. It's just the way you say
It's not
it.
intimidating at all.
Say it again.
Labas, malavardas ir Dominikas.
Now you sound like the Russian mafia.
Oh, no, it's not like the Russian Mafia. Even better.
Seth.
How's it going, man? What's up? How's it going?
bro? You good?
Ah, fine. Just, just here by myself, just hanging out.
There's a lot
Just
of women
talking.
going on in there.
Yeah, man. I mean, everything's good. Just come on in, man.
Why is the chair flipped upside
Dude,
down?
just, how it is being in this house, man, keeping things together. Things always fall apart, but hey, it's going good. Yeah, this is the room, though, man. This is where I get my peace, man. Peace of mind.
This is a peace room.
Yeah.
So we need some more improvements, obviously.
Yeah,
For the first few days, it's good.
This
Like the chair needs to be like standing.
Yeah,
That's a lot better.
Yeah, I don't know whose jacket this is neither, man. But bro, man, this is fucking crazy, bro. We living in a fucking content house, right?
That's right,
It's
bro.
nuts, man.
I'm finally gonna be filming a lot more on YouTube and all sorts of shit.
Yeah, bro, and I'm right here, so I'll be yelling at you from downstairs.
no, he's
Get
all-
the content! And make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel too, man. I'm gonna plug myself like a motherfucker.
Plug it, bro. Say it.
Put that shit right here.
What's your YouTube channel?
Seth Francois, man. Look it up,
Link in description, guys.
Hell yeah.
I think we were just waiting to end this vlog with you.
Oh, sick, man. I love being the outro.
So you are the outro.
Hell yeah. All right, what do I do?
You've been around YouTubers more than I have. You should know better.
All right, guys, this is the outro. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe on this guy's channel right here. We got videos coming up 3 times a week. Amir's gonna non-stop
3 times a week?
Fuck that. We got videos coming up 6 times a week now.
No. 3 times a week.
7 days a week.
Three.
Amir's gonna be filming and posting us again.
Let us know, since we have this house, everyone's here, everyone films. Let us know what kind of content you guys want to see. It's been nothing but cars. We're trying to change that up a little bit. So, we're still going to do
Oh, yeah,
car
a lot
stuff.
of cars.
For sure. We're going to do a lot of cars. The direction of content's going to be a little bit different.
I got a question for you though, dog. And we gonna let me whip the Beamer, man.
Whatever you
We
want,
gonna
bro.
trust me with it,
They
man.
don't even know about that car yet.
Oh, sick.
Well,
Yeah.
Beamer, you gave it away. So, yeah. It's
I didn't say what kind of Beamer though.
Yeah,
It's not what kind of Beamer. Hell yeah.
So that's gonna. So you'll be in that video too. So
Sick.
we can
Hell
listen
yeah,
to
man. A
that
little
video.
test drive real quick.
That's right,
Hell
that's
yeah.
right.
And then.
Shut up. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for a lot more. Till next time. You wanna end it?
We're gonna be on a sick one. That's all I gotta say.